As soon as I walk into the bakery on Wednesday, I mix all the dough. I did a quick cheat, to be fair. I came in Tuesday night to mix the croissant dough. So that's why I'm laminating as soon as I get in all the croissant dough, and then I put in the fridge and then make cinnamon buns. And after finishing cinnamon bun, put them in the fridge and then mix sourdough for Thursday, which is for wholesale. And then shape all the pastries from laminated dough. And this week I had orange and poppy seeds as well. That's what I'm making now. Then when I finish this, I make plain croissants and pan au chocolat. And then after I finish shaping all of these, I put them like cling film and put in the fridge. I'm gonna dress extra special for sausage rolls. Double dressed up for sausage roll making. Call me Dr. Leo. Be honest, I don't really enjoy making sausage roll because the faff I have to go through to avoid cross contamination and stuff. All the gloves, all the cleanup afterwards, it's just too much faff. And the recipe for them is whole bowl egg, which is coming on ebook. Stay tuned for that. But it's really worth it. The customers really love this sausage roll, and they're really the best sausage rolls in town. First batch done, 3 more to go. And then it's time for sourdough shaping. And then after shaping sourdough, put all in the fridge. And now this is Thursday. Everything's in the fridge. Bread in the fridge, pastries in the fridge. For the next morning, then I put in the proofer. Before the day end, one most important thing not to forget, which is putting on the oven on timer. So the on when I come in the morning, it's Friday, first thing first. Put all the pastries on the proofer. The proofer's fully. I put some more buns on top of the oven. That will prove nicely as well, probably even faster than other ones. And the next thing, incoming. Friday, busy one. Everything, the pastries are proving. Now about to load the bread. The white loaf, I'm gonna mix the white loaf soon as well. Now in. Okay, let's put 15 minutes. What's next? Focaccia, where is the trays? There. Wash my hands. Nice. Why? Somewhere warm. Now, focaccia's there, bread is baking. It's time to mix white loaf, which is there. I'm gonna mix it now, and then what I'm gonna do next, mix brownies. There's a lot going on. It's Friday as usual, but I'm excited this Friday. This is the last Friday. It's last working Friday until next month. So excited. I'm going on holiday next week, going to Mozambique. If you're in Maputo, maybe I might see you there in the next few days, if there's enough time. But yeah, going home for a month with the kids. Very exciting time. Very exciting. There's white mixing. That's 2 kilo focaccia going in on the mix. Sausage rolls all baked. Look at these shiny, beautiful babies. Woo! My God. Need to come and try this, man. Now shaping white, and then after shaping, let it proof 40 minutes, then bake. Also mixing sourdough here for tomorrow. Clean as you go, baby. Clean as you go. One thing, if, for example, the days I don't have time to clean out on a busy day, you don't clean up, you don't have time to clean, and then you go out, you have like a bad market, and you come back in, the bakery is full of dirty stuff. You're like, oh man, come on. But no, today is gonna be a good day. That's how we roll. Oh, it is a good day. It's not gonna be a good day. It's already a good day. Started to bake pastries now. These croissants are nice and ready to go. I'll show you the wobble in a minute. It's a wobble or a jiggle. Jiggle. This is what you want for croissant. Woo! Jiggle. Woo! It's good, man. It's good. It's good. I don't usually bake croissants on this big oven, but today I'll have to. I didn't have enough trays yesterday. I needed one tray to use when I'm baking brownies in there. So I'm gonna bake them in here. Cinnamon buns are baking in here. That's the time. Yeah, I can open the oven now. Let's see if we can see. The first bake. So now I'm gonna open that little window here. And I'll load croissants as well. So this is a mixed load. So that is not colored yet. We do the colors and we bake croissants. I'm gonna put the timer on so it doesn't burn out. The croissants are easy to burn the bottom because it's layers, it's just a very flaky, it's easy to burn. So I'm gonna put for 10 minutes and then move. Put this underneath and continue to bake until you get nice and golden colors everywhere. I'm sure what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. The colors we're looking for in here. Woo. It's time to get the croissant up. See now. Just colors now. Let's come and check the white. Woo! Good. Now, let it bake. Let it bake for another 20 minutes, nice and golden, and out. It's focaccia time. That's what we need, olive oil. Yeah, there's a bubble. We're close to finish line. Baking last pastries, bread all baked. While this is the last bread going in. The pastries are still going. think I need a bigger oven for pastries. I mean, that one still works, so we hang out a little bit. Go! This oven's not very hot. It's like maybe 200 something degrees. Yeah, 200 degrees. So I'll bake for 30 minutes or 40 minutes until it's nice and golden. Then yeah, chop them out, divide it, sort the orders, and then head out. White loaf is baked. The brown is a baby. Look at them. Ooh. All the pastries are here. There's still some more baking, but so far everything is baked. Look good. I'm happy with the results. And outside it's not dark anymore, which is good news. We need it done, and we're gonna go out to the market, start serving the customers. The sun is out now. Oh, it's daylight now, isn't it? The sun is out. It's coming out, the sun though. Look at the sunrise. Beautiful. Focaccia's out. It's time to slice it out and then put in a tray, and then we're gonna head out. Everything is baked, just as last thing are baked. And yeah, overall I would say, rating myself or rating the day, it's been a really good day. Like it's 6:50. I've done everything. Normally I finish around 7 and stuff. So today I'm well ahead of a time. So I'm gonna leave 7:20, get there, set it up, and then I'll show you when I set it up there. I'll pop up. Yeah, that's been really good day. Happy days. Now let's just slice it out, this big boy. It's nice, decent size. Generous size, I like to call it. Beautiful day. Look at the light out there. So beautiful. So beautiful. Let's go. Oh, can't wait to slow down. Oh no, no, jump down the stack. You've been moving too fast on the start. Usually the customer come early, so see today I beat that time. Put up. Put up. Brownies. So yeah, this is it, bro. We're here now, back last Friday, and be back November. So my next video from this one will be I'll be in Mozambique. I'll preparing the trip and on the plane, everything. The kids seeing my family for the first time. So yeah, be ready for that, guys. Hopefully I can get a shift in Mozambique for bakery. In the bakery I used to go as a kid. Hopefully I can get a shift there. And yeah, let me show you close up the setup. So we have here onion poppy seed swirl, pain au chocolat, croissants, cinnamon buns, sausage rolls, focaccia, brownies, and some bread in the car, and pre-orders. So yeah, we're good to go. So yeah, this is the end of our video of our 2 or 3 days of prep and baking days. And so, see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for your support.